Hello friends, let's start by admiring these beautiful flowers. I've had these roses for some years now and I still think they're so beautiful every time. Welcome back to this channel. This is my farm in Kenya by me, Joy, and I hope you enjoy the video. Join me, let's go and harvest some things and also make a new raised bed. Every time I try and make sure that I have some corn or maize growing in my farm because we use them a lot for making boiled maize, mahindi choma, which is roasted maize, and for also making ugali, which is a staple food in Kenya. And I got distracted again, but here is our strawberry guava plant. I've had this for the past 1.5 years, and this is my second time to harvest. The first time, a lot of flowers were falling down. I don't know why, but this time seems to have so many flowers and so many fruits. If you would like to know more about strawberry guavas, please leave a comment and maybe a question, and we can talk about it in another video. And friends, that is our raised bed. Thank you for spending your time to watch this video. I hope you'll join me in the next video. Let's plan something next time. Bye.